What's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So if you've been here for any amount of time, you know that I'm very passionate about the tool called System.io. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably an online business owner or someone who wants to create something online, and that is why I'm here, to make content like this, to bring you some of the goodness that System.io offers. I've made a lot of videos about System.io in the past, and I intend to make a lot more. And this video, I want to just show you very briefly how you can run your entire business using System.io. Now, System.io, I believe, is the best thing to happen to any online business owner since sliced bread.
She thinks you're the greatest thing since sliced bread.
Gone are the days of us trying to, run our businesses using expensive software like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Kartra. All of these are great tools, by the way, really great tools. They're very good at what they do. But for the average Joe, the little guy who just wants to, get something started, get something up and running, sometimes those price tags are just not feasible for a lot of people. And that is why System.io has come and just revolutionized the game and just showed us that there are other ways, there are cheaper ways through which you can run your business online. And even on the free tier of System.io, which cost about precisely $0, you can still do a lot of stuff. But of course, I am on a $27 tier, which is exactly what I need right now. This is one of my accounts. What you're looking at right now is one of my test accounts. I just do some tests here and there, and right now, the last 3 days, about 97 leads, which is good. And it just shows you a snapshot of your entire business as you log into the platform. And as you can see right here, this is blot this out, by the way. This is some of the emails that have come in the last recent days. And you have your contacts, you have your funnels, emails, blogs, automations. And if you haven't seen my video on how to build a sales funnel with System.io step by step, check it out right here in the cards. But even on the $27 tier, these are the things that you can do with System.io. You can save your contacts, you can have email funnels, sales funnels, you can set up email campaigns, newsletters, you can set up blogs, and you can set up a lot of automations. You can host your online courses, you can host a digital product, you can host a physical product, and also you can have students enrolled into your course. And also allows you to, if you have an affiliate program or anything, allows you to set that up very seamlessly. So I'm just going to go into it, one after the other. So with your funnel on the $27 tier, you can have up to 10 funnels with System.io. On the free tier, you can have up to 3 funnels, which is pretty good. And the good thing about System.io is it allows you to also connect your domain name. So on the $27 tier, you can connect 3 domains, meaning you can run 3 different businesses from one platform, from the same dashboard, from the same account, which is really good, because in order to get this on other platforms, you have to be paying so much. All right, so let's keep going. You can have up to 10 funnels, you can have email campaigns, you can set up your automations, you can send newsletters with System.io. And this whole platform just makes it very seamless, to run your entire business. And I've made so many videos in the past just, going through how to build sales funnels. If you haven't seen that yet, you can go check it out in the link right here. And it's just important to, since I've been using System.io, I've just seen the importance of having everything in your business being run from one platform. Gone are the days of you trying to, sign up for one email automation software, then you have to, sign up for a different funnel builder, then you have to, find a way to get as much out of your email funnel as possible. Some platforms only give you about 2,000 contacts for the same price that you get with System.io. So it's just a lot of good reasons why you should be using System.io right now if you're not already doing so. And I know a lot of people have some concerns about how sophisticated System.io can get in terms of building funnels. And when you first look at the funnel builder, the snapshot of it, it looks very basic. And this is one thing that I've heard from a lot of people, that System.io looks very basic, but it packs a lot of of goodies, a lot of tools that you can use to supercharge your business. Like when you use ClickFunnels, for example, I've used ClickFunnels a lot of times. It looks very clunky. It looks like there's a lot going on in there. But with System.io, everything is, stripped down to the bare bones, and you can just go in and start building your funnels right away. And one more thing I want to mention is that I am now going to be partnering with some amazing System.io funnel builders, and I will be bringing you some beautiful templates that you can purchase directly from this channel. And also, if you need any services with building funnels, revamping your existing funnels, we'll also be providing this for you. So if you want to be one of the first to hear about that, or if you're watching this in the future, you can just check the link in the description right now, and you will be able to get access to all these exclusive templates for you if you are using System.io. So go check that out in the link in the description. So I am saying it with my chest right now that System.io is really one of the best tools out there to run your business. And if you're not already using it, this is the time to do so. If you have any questions related to System.io, ask in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And also, you can ask me any question whatsoever. Just click on the link in the description, I think first or second link, and you'll be able to ask me any questions, and I will respond to you in video format. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the best time to do so. And I really appreciate you guys for doing that. Again, my name is Daniel. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one.